Good morning, students. So today in EVS children we will going to continue the same lesson that I taught last, and that was lesson 8, my safety. And in this lesson we will going to see what are the different steps or rules we need to follow at different places. So today we will going to learn the rules of safety on the road and at home. So first of all, let's look at the safety rules on the road to avoid accidents. So children, let's see some safety rules that we need to follow on the road to avoid accident. 1. Always cross the road using zebra crossing. Can you see this boy in the picture, children? Now from where he was crossing the road? He is using zebra crossing. Now what is the zebra crossing? Zebra crossing are marked with black and white stripes on the road, and these markings warn drivers that there may be pedestrians. Okay, pedestrian who a person who walk rather than traveling in a vehicle. Second is always walk on footpath. Footpath. Now what is this footpath? Narrow path for the pedestrians. People who walk, who are not in the vehicle, they are walking. So it is a narrow path. Then never run or walk on the road. We are not supposed to run. Children are not supposed to run or walk on the road. If they want to play, they want to run, they can do it in the playground. Then first look to the right, then to the left, and again to the right before. Now before crossing the road, what we have to do? First we have to look to our right, then to our left, then again to the right, and then only we have to cross the road to avoid accident. The next is you should go out only with your parents or with elder persons. If you are going out, okay, you have to go with either with your parents or with elder persons. Okay, now come next to page 40. Now the second is page number 40, safety at home. So now here again some rules are given, safety rules that we need to follow at home. First, do not use or play with sharp objects. And the sharp objects, like yesterday I've shown you some sharp objects like knife, scissors, screwdriver. We should not play with these. Then never open the door for strangers. Third, do not play with fire. Then do not play with plastic bags. Then do not put things in your mouth as they contain germs. And the last is do not touch electric wires. And if you touch electric wire with your wet hand, what will happen? You'll get the shock. So these are the safety rules we need to follow at home. So children, today only the two safety rules we have seen, one at home and one on the road. Now tomorrow again we're going to see two more safety rules in the playground and while traveling. So now come to the exercise. So this is your EVS worksheet. Okay, let's see. A. Write true or false. Number 1, always walk on the footpath. So this statement is true, you will write true. Second, always run on the road. False. Then B. Take the correct option. Number 1, do not play with A. Fire, B. Doll. So we should not play with fire. Option A is correct. You are going to take option A. 2. Never open the door for A. Guest, B. Strangers. So it is B. Option B. Strangers. So children, only two exercises I have given you for your homework to do, and you have to do it in your EVS notebook. Now tomorrow again we will be meeting and we are going to continue the same lesson tomorrow also. Till then, take care and goodbye.